Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to connect Miro with Zoom for online workshops in 2025. This setup lets you collaborate visually inside Zoom using your Miro boards while talking with your team. Step 1. Open Zoom and go to the Zoom app marketplace. In the search bar, type Miro and select the Miro app from the list of results. Step 2. Click the install button and sign into your Zoom account if asked. Grant the permissions needed. Once installed, the Miro app will appear inside your Zoom app section. Step 3. Connect your Miro account by signing in when prompted. Once linked, your Miro boards can be opened and shared inside Zoom for live brainstorming, planning, or team activities. It makes online workshops much more interactive and visual. Step 4. You can now access your Miro boards anytime during a Zoom session and work together in real time without switching tabs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.